Introducing the new KidCheck Check-In Station Pro. This full-featured, all-in-one check-in station is the actual device families use for check-in, replacing the need for a computer, iPad, or tablet. It features a 14-inch touchscreen and built-in mobile printing capabilities for quick, reliable check-in. Simply attach a printer for labels. Here's how fast and easy check-in is. Floor stand, tabletop stand, and wall mount options are also available. Welcome to new and improved check-in. The Check-In Station Pro is available on the KidCheck store.